Well, hello and welcome to this video. It's a revisit video back to a job that some of you may remember I finished at the end of last year, end of October time, early November. If you don't remember what it looked like, this is what it looked like before I started the work. And this is what it looked like when I finished it and left it at the end of last year. This is my first revisit back. As you can see, the grass, the lawn has come on really well. It's going to get a cut today, and there's going to be some filling of some sort of bald patches, which I said to the customer does happen when you're going from seed. You're never going to get 100% coverage the first time. So I'm going to cut it down to a decent level. We're going to get a little bit of topsoil leveled in there, and then we're going to get the mix of grass seed, low grain, wildflower seed and clover seed back in just in a couple of places where it's not grown in, and we'll get that in and watered, and yeah, we'll see what that looks like. So as you can see on the new sleepers that I put in, there's been a bit of bird and mammal activity, shall we say, digging around the mulch, whether searching for food or burying bits and pieces under there, but that's fine. So I'll link to the video up here of the plants that I planted last year. Obviously they've not had a decent season yet, so we've got the hebe, and we've got the verbenas over there, we've got the planums, we've got the lovely buddleia, the pieris, we've got the 4 dogwood, and then we've got some azaleas, and then we've got a mix of the caradonas, the 6-hill giants, and the Erysimon bowls mauve, which I like to plant in a lot of my wildlife friendly planting schemes, and of course the lawn. So let's give this a trim, and then we can get to fill in a couple of these patches. As you can see, a bit of an area there, it's a little bit thin on the ground, a little bit there, a bit to the edge of the path, and then just a couple of sections down here. Nothing major, but let's get it done now before springtime, and it gives it a good chance to grow in when we get some decent weather on it. So as you can see, I've seeded all the bald areas, it's all had a good water. I'll be back here in around a month's time for my next maintenance visit, and then I'll give you an update then, see how the new seed's getting on. Until then, see you on the next one.